They're both good. They're both dense. Number one, this one, it's actually a little bit fluffier, a little more softer and fluffier. This one is a little harder, denser.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Pinay Mom's Vlogs. My name is Tara. I'm a Filipino mom living here in Amsterdam with my Dutch husband and our 2 boys. On this episode, I'm going to be testing baked cake in microwave or convection. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 cakes, one cooked in a microwave and the other one is cooked in a pan. I thought of making this comparison because not only do we see a number of videos out there that are like microwave cake recipes or mug cakes, and also those that are cooked in pan or skillet. Not just because of that, it's also because our oven here now at home is broken. Now of course we're gonna have to fix it soon, but if you're familiar with my channel, I do a lot of baking in our oven, and my initial plan really was to compare microwave cake with a oven baked one. So instead we're gonna do plan B and compare these two instead. So let me show you how I prepare them. Alright, so first we're gonna create a batter and we're gonna use white cake recipe, and this one is gonna be cooked in the pan. Okay, so I just want to let you know that although I'm using a white cake recipe, this recipe is actually specific for use if you're baking in a pan. And adding yogurt to this mixture actually adds moisture and fat in this cake batter. And now let's prepare our cake batter to be cooked in the microwave. Now, just to be clear, I'm going to compare these cakes by the way it's cooked. So I'm using, of course, 2 different recipes to cater to the manner that I'm going to be cooking them. But basically, I'm just going to be using a plain white cake recipe. Now, you've heard about the combination microwave convection oven. That's actually very different. I'll be cooking ours in a regular microwave, which uses magnetron, which produces microwave radiation to cook the food or to cook my batter, and then you have of course the turntable inside the microwave to rotate and cook the food. Now that's different from the convection cooking, which is what we're going to use the pan with. So basically this is just a circulated hot air or circulated heated air. Now for this I'm going to be using a deep pan with some water in it and a good seal, and then we're going to use steam to heat it and cook the batter and basically bake our cake. Now I'm gonna have my kids and my husband taste both of them and compare and see which ones they prefer. So for me to be able to help them figure out which one is which, or rather not figure out which one is which, I'm going to decorate both of them the exact same way. So guys, I just want you to try these two different kinds of cakes, but I'm not gonna tell you which one is which, meaning one was baked in the microwave, or cooked in the microwave, and the other one was cooked in a pan. First try, this is number 1, and that's number 2.
I think this is in the pan.
So try,
I think this one was in the pan.
Try number 1. Try it.
This one, I think it was in the pan.
Maar was die lekker?
Yeah, it's
And
yummy.
then later you're gonna try the number 2.
Welke vond je lekkerder, Liam? Which one did you like best? 1 or 2?
2.
So this
Oh,
one
yeah.
then.
To me, it's 1.
1. And Liam, you like number 2. Is that correct, Liam?
I like them both actually the same.
Oh, okay.
So name the same.
Okay. What about you, Yaspi?
I have no idea.
You like number 1. Okay, like number 1.
This is number 1?
That's number 1.
Okay. They're both good. They're both dense. Number 1, this one, is actually a little bit fluffier, a little more softer and fluffier. This one is a little harder, denser. Flavor-wise, they're pretty much the same. But texturally, this one wins. Number 1.
Number 1 is actually pan fried.
Okay.
And then number 2 is the microwave. So you like the pan fried better than the microwave?
The microwave, the taste is good,
Yeah.
but it obviously it didn't rise. If you look at it next side by side,
Yeah.
it's smaller. It's much denser.
Of course, it's kind of it's a little bit difficult because I already know which one's which, but regardless, let's still try and taste both. So, first I'm gonna choose this one, which is the one baked in the pan. It's actually very dense. It tastes like steamed bread. For those of you who are familiar with the rice cake in the Philippines, or what we call puto, it sort of tastes like that consistency. It feels like it's steamed cake. It's also dense, but it's more airy. The microwave one is more airy. It still tastes delicious. Definitely there's more aftertaste here on the pan cooked one, but the aftertaste is actually very difficult for me to describe. On the microwave cake, it is also dense. It feels a little bit more sticky. If you ask me which one I prefer, taste-wise, I'd go with the microwave one. There's really not much a big difference between the two, but if I would choose, I'd go with the microwave one, which is actually very interesting because I do love the microwavable mug cakes, so the 3-minute microwavable mug cakes, which I happen to have a video of. So if you're interested to watch that episode, I will add a link of that down on the description box below, or actually I could also add a link of that here on the top of your screen, so you can go ahead and click on that one. And yeah, so there you have it. This is my comparison video between the two manners of how a cake could be alternatively cooked if in case your oven is broken or if you don't have any oven at home. And if you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, we'll see you again next time here on Pinay Mom's Blogs. Thanks guys. Until next time. Bye. Hi guys. Thanks for watching our video. If you'd like to see more episodes of Pinay Mom's Blogs, please click on any of the links up ahead, or you can subscribe to our channel to see more episodes every week. Thanks. Bye for now.